This is Gautam. Today I am share some job update with you. Before that, please like this video, share this video with your friend, and subscribe this channel. And if you need job update, please join my Telegram group. This link I will paste in description box. Please join it. I have so our first job. Our first job from data analytics for location is Ernakulam, Kerala, and and salary is 15K per month, and this is a full-time opportunity and a morning shift and day shift. Experience need 0 to 2 year of experience need, and how to and this is all about about um, your job responsibility, and this is about company and how to apply this job. You have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst trainee for remote location and salary is 9 LPA per year. This is full-time opportunity and remote and shift is day shift. Experience need 2 year of experience need, and this is a requirement of company like must very strong data analytics and all. And how to apply this job? You have click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst for Chennai, Tamil Nadu location, and salary is not mentioned in this job. And this is experience need 3 to 5 year of experience you have need. And how to apply this job? You have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job from Kerala location, and salary is 20K to 30K per month, and this is full time opportunity, and this is your job responsibility and all, and a skill need like Power BI and SQL. The salary is 20K to 30K. I am already tell you. And how to apply the job? You have click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is analyst data analyst and web research, and the location is Mumbai, Maharashtra, and also remote. And salary is 50K to 80K per month, and this is full time opportunity, and this is all about job and all. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst for Bangalore Karnataka location, and salary is 6 LPA to 8 LPA per year, and this is full time remote opportunity. Okay, and this is benefit, and this is the job description, and experience needs 2 year plus of experience you have must need. And how to apply this job? You have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is quant developer, system developer with research and trading. This is hiring for Bangalore Karnataka location, and also remote, and salary is 1.5 LPA to 4 LPA per month. Means you have means in this job you have pay 18 LPA to 48 LPA per year. Okay, and experience need 1 year. And how to apply this job? You have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Thank you everyone. Please support this channel.